Is gold about to soar to new heights, or is it on the verge of a steep dive? The market is buzzing, and the charts are telling two very different stories. Let's break down the latest action for XAUUSD and see what the price is telling us. Right now, gold is trading in a highly contested zone. We're seeing a fascinating clash between bullish ambition and bearish resistance, creating a mix of signals for traders. On one hand, the bullish camp is fired up. Many analysts see the recent price action as a consolidation phase before a major breakout to the upside. They are pointing to bullish chart patterns like impulse waves and upward channels, suggesting that the recent dip was just a pullback. Key buying points are being identified on pullbacks to the 3,341 level or even as low as the 3,325 support zone. The targets for this bullish outlook are ambitious, with many setting their sights on 3,400, 3,421, and some are even calling for a rally towards 3,450. They believe that as long as the price holds about key support, the path of least resistance is up. However, the bears are putting up a fierce fight. They see the current price levels, particularly around the 3,350 to 3,375 area, as a major supply zone and a prime opportunity to sell. Their analysis points to potential downtrends, descending channels, and chart patterns suggesting a reversal. For sellers, key entry points are seen right at these resistance levels. A failure to break higher could see the price push down significantly. Bearish targets are being set around 3,320, 3,310, with some looking for a deeper correction towards 3,292. They argue that the upward momentum is fading and a downturn is imminent. So, let's summarize the key takeaways. First, the market sentiment is deeply divided. There isn't a clear consensus, which means we can expect continued volatility. Second, the price is currently caught in a critical battleground, roughly between 3,330 on the downside and 3,375 on the upside. This is the zone to watch. Bulls are looking for a definitive break above this range to confirm their move towards 3,400. Bears are defending this area, hoping for a rejection that will send the price tumbling. Ultimately, the market is at a crossroads. The direction it chooses from here could set the tone for the coming days. Will the bulls power through resistance, or will the bears drag the price back down? As always, manage your risk and watch these key levels closely.